Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple donuts. First, gather your essential ingredients such as all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. You'll also need milk, eggs, and butter. Next, ensure your frying oil, like vegetable or canola oil, is ready. Finally, prepare a basic glaze using powdered sugar and a splash of milk for that perfect sweet finish. This straightforward approach makes delicious homemade treats accessible to everyone. Now let's get to the dough. Start by combining your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then, gradually incorporate the wet ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a donut cutter or even 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes and holes. Carefully transfer these to parchment paper. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then fry the donuts for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. Drain them on a wire rack. The final step is the most delicious. While your donuts are still warm, dip each one into your prepared glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Let any excess glaze drip off back into the bowl before placing them on a cooling rack. This simple glaze sets quickly, leaving you with perfectly sweet and soft donuts. They are best enjoyed fresh, perhaps with a cup of coffee or tea. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.